Hello. I just wanted to say, the people might not see it again, but thank you for the nice comments the nice non-judgmental comments that people have left here for me. I sprained my ankle yesterday. It was just a bad day, I guess. And I guess just the final nail in the coffin, like the final full realization that someone who I thought had cared about me didn't actually care about me. And I was sold a bunch of lies. Now I know this is very common. I had never dealt with something like this, and here I am, 47, and so this last lesson, last time around, it was just, I think I was in denial that this person could be capable of such deceit and cruelty towards me, and could just move on without a care. Doesn't even care about me when they had professed to me that they did. It's such a heartbreaking, hurtful realization. And I guess it's my mistake for, they had told me they were going to come back, and a few weeks ago they were going to have a conversation with me, get honest and straight, and have a conversation where we could both be heard and understand each other and have accountability, and just kind of close it up like that, or address whatever was still an open wound. But they again, bailed out and ran, and just, no real good reason other than they just didn't want to confront it. But this was the pattern, and I kept wanting to believe that they would come around and communicate, that they actually really did care about me. But so yeah, I tried to reach out to them recently and just say, hey, look, all I want is an apology. That's it. You stepped on my toes first, broke a bunch of agreements. Just say sorry. I just really like that. But, I know I'm never going to get that. So I've cleared it out in my own head. I've finally let go of waiting for that moment of genuine care. And I'm never going to get an apology. And whether or not their care for me in the past was real or not, or their feelings, or I don't know, they've just switched it off. It's such a hard lesson to learn. It's hard for me to do that, you know, just to flip a switch inside me and go cold. Like a dead switch, you know? With people who I've really cared about. Even if they're mean to me, even if they're cruel, you know, I still, I don't know, I still want to believe that they are a good person and gonna do the right thing and be decent, and that they would still care too. But I'm not gonna hold on to that anymore. I'm not gonna hold on waiting for that anymore. And you know, I didn't have a lot of boyfriends growing up. I would say I only really truly learned about relationships into my, you know, later adult life. Like I'm 47. So it seems kind of trivial or teenage, but you know, it's like, well, this is a person I did meet when I was 16. It seems so weird that this would consume my attention, but I'm letting go of it. And anyway, thank you for listening. And thank you, you know, I don't always check this app or whatever, but you know, thank you for those of you leaving kind comments. He said some really mean things to me yesterday. And again, just blew me off, and you know, saying that whatever I said was verbal diarrhea, and that I was just trying to get us to have a conversation where we could say sorry. It just hurts. And I'm trying to get my attention off of it so that I can focus on other, you know, things pertaining to survival. And I'm trying. And there's, you know, there's lots of things that I need to handle. I know that. Lots of work that needs to be done. Anyway, if you've listened to all of this, my goodness, thanks for letting me give some verbal diarrhea through the screen. Thank you. Thank you very much. I just wanted to add, the other thing that he said that was really hurtful was that he doesn't know me anymore, that he insinuated that I'm just crazy, I've lost it. I'm like, okay, buddy. And I just told him to grow up and blocked him back, basically. So that's the end of that. Still really hard for me to believe, and I'm still kind of in denial, but I'll gradually accept it.